mentioned, my sister found these nightstands curbside on one of her bulk days, and she was kind enough to haul them into her car and put them in her garage so I could come pick them up and work on them. And if you're a reader of the SI blog, I know I mention every time I get a curb shop piece, I love it. They're one of my favorite types of pieces to work on. Why? Because I like stepping out of my comfort zone and trying new colors, trying new paint techniques, trying new products that I've never tried before, because I've got nothing to lose. Nothing was paid for these pieces, and I feel I can be a little more creative and adventurous when it's a curb shop piece of furniture.